What's going on, everyone? So today we're taking a look at the DeWalt 20 volt Max XR. This is a brushless drill and impact combo kit. Now you will get the carrying case. You will get a 4AH and a 2AH battery along with the charger. We're also going to be using the Makita Impact Gold impact bits. And in the drill we will be using the Bosch multi-purpose carbide drill bits. I will put the link in the description for all of these, and once again this comes to you from the Home Depot Perspective program. Now enough blabbing, I say let's get this review started. And you know what, we gotta change this music. Alright, let's take a look at the drill driver first. Now you have two different speeds on this drill driver. The first speed is 0 to 500 RPM, and then the second speed is 0 to 2000 RPM. Now it's very simple to switch between the two, and I'm telling you, once you do, there's a huge difference. This is also a brushless model, so DeWalt claims that they give you up to 57% more runtime over the brushed. Now you also got three LED settings that are extremely easy to change. You have a high setting, a low setting, and they also give you a setting that will allow the light to stay on for 20 minutes after you pull the trigger. Now let's take an extra look at the clutch right here. Very simple to use, but there is one very cool feature on this that I want to show you here. Now you got your basic clutch settings, but what's really cool is you have this little icon for the hammer drill. Now I'm going to show you the damage that this thing does in a good way, but we're going to use the Bosch multi-top multi-purpose drill bits with this. These will actually hold up to the impacts. They are extremely tough, extremely sharp. Just watch and see what these things do. Alright, let's start out on some basic wood, a couple 2x4s here. We're basically going to put this on the lowest setting here. Just put it on drill and see what it does. Alright, so there you go, your basic drilling motion right there. Let's kick this up to 2, same thing. Alright, big deal, normal drilling. You guys want to see something cool? Check this out. Alright, check this out. This thing is a freaking monster, and those bits are awesome. If you think that was cool, wait until you see what we do with that concrete block. You know, and also these Bosch bits are just beast. FYI, here is the shot of the LED light. Works very well. Now we're going to use this again on the cement block here towards the end of the video, but let's talk about the impact first. Alright, here's the impact that comes with this. Feels really good in the hands. 3,250 max RPM. This will also accept the Bosch bits just fine. Now, this impact does have 3 speeds to it. The first one is for precision driving. Now the second setting is going to give you a little bit more oomph, and then the third setting is just all out power. You also get the 3 LED lights up in the front. As soon as you pull the trigger, they do come on, and it's a nice soft light. This is also a brushless motor, and it's also made in America. With the Bosch bits, let's put it on speed 1. Alright, let's go to setting number 2. Now let's put it on setting number 3. I want to try this with the Makita Impact Golds. I heard these are great bits, so I want to check them out for myself. Alright, we're going to start it out with the Phillips. Go into the gun really good, have a really nice solid grip to them. So far, I'm happy. Alright, let's drive these down on the slowest speed. Second setting. And finally, the third setting, let's just drive them home. All right, let's try it with the star. This is setting number 1. Went up nice and flush. Let's try it on setting number 3. No matter what impact I'm using, I always struggle with these screws. Here, let's see. And again, this is the lowest setting. Once again, nice and flush. Let's kick it on high. These Makita bits got a really nice grab to them, and they also are very magnetic, so it holds the screw very well. So far, very impressed with the guns and the bits. However, I really want to put that bit from Bosch and the drill driver to the test. Now, what I want to do is turn this bad boy on high, put that bit in, and just go to town. I want to drill a hole straight down through this block, and I want to see how well it does. Wow, unbelievable. There is so much power in that drill driver, and those bits are so sharp. It went through that like a knife through butter. Take a look at this hole. That thing went through like nothing. Those Bosch bits are just simply awesome, and that driver is just powerful. Listen all, you've seen it right there in front of you. These things are just unbelievable. The Makita bits, the Bosch bits, and the DeWalt drill driver and impact are just simply amazing. I want to thank all 3 of these companies for sending this over for you all to take a look at. I also want to give a shout out to the Home Depot Prospective Program. They're the ones that allow us to get our hands on these tools, so we're not just talking about them online. We're actually getting them in our hands and letting you see how well these things work. Now, I will put a link in the description for every one of the tools that you've seen on this video. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com. And we will be back with more videos very soon.